best local chiropractor in the area. As a professional member of the local healthcare community, we have become a trusted source for gentle, yet effective procedures and expert advice designed to complement and enhance the body's wellness and natural healing abilities. Chiropractic care is one of the best ways to keep your spine healthy and your immune system functioning at its optimum level. Teaching how the spine and nervous system contribute to our health and well-being is the primary focus of all qualified local chiropractors. The relationship between spinal health and overall physical well-being has long been a subject of scientific inquiry. Chiropractic intervention is quickly becoming a more favorable alternative to invasive spine surgery, especially concerning rehabilitation from back injury. Call or visit our local chiropractor clinic in the area today to learn how we prevent illness and improve health in both children and adults. Applying painless, therapeutic adjustment, we can help you become healthier too. Chiropractic intervention is proven effective in treatment of many physical ailments while helping to correct a variety of other disorders and common health issues, such as headaches, low back pain, mid and upper back pain, neck pain, joint stiffness, leg pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, dizziness, shoulder and arm pain, muscle spasms, numbness and tingling, low energy and stress. Chiropractors know that spinal health goes hand in hand with your body's overall physical well-being. As an alternative remedy to surgery or addictive drugs, chiropractic adjustment can be instrumental to rehabilitation from a pre-existing disability.